Hi everyone, and welcome to your 10-minute flow. This is a beautiful class to wake up to, go to sleep with, do in the middle of your day, or right after a workout to stretch out. So grab your mat and let's get started. We're going to find the top of our mat here. Your feet are going to be almost touching, and just kind of roll your shoulders back. Good, relax and breathe here. And then on your next inhale, sweep both arms up and over your head. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Hands greet your toes. Good. Inhale, flat back, gazing forward. Exhale, fold in. One more time. Inhale, lengthen the spine, long, flat back. Good. Fold forward. Stand tall, reach up, look up, gaze up, and then let the elbows bend at 90-90. Open up through the chest. Good. Re-extend your arms long. Exhale through heart center, bow forward. Inhale, flat back, lengthen out. Exhale to fold. Step your left foot all the way back on the earth. Left knee drops towards the ground. Back toes are still tucked under. Inhale, reach all the way up to the sky. Good. Exhale to frame your foot, half splits. So straighten the right leg, pulling the hips back, toes to sky. Good. Bend your knee forward. Keep your left hand down inside of your left foot with me. Raise your right arm all the way up. Good. Open up through the chest. And then exhale, release your right hand. And then give me your half split one more time. So straighten and fold. Good. Bend your knee forward. Exhale, step back to down dog. And if you're super tight, maybe bend your knees here. Good. Roll to plank. Drop your knees if you want to. Otherwise, full vinyasa down. Inhale to come up. Good. Exhale to push back. Down dog. We just worked with the right leg. Continue. Right leg rises. Roll the ankle out. Good. Step through. Inhale as you look forward. Lengthen. Allow your left knee to sink down, but don't let it drop. Exhale, fold over right leg. Good. As you bend the knee forward, step up. Feet come together. Halfway lift the spine. Good. Grab your calf muscles. Fold in. Push through your feet. Squeeze your legs. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, let the hands drape around the back. Weave the fingers. Inhale, open up the heart. Lean back. Good. Exhale, hinge and fold as you dive down. Take a full breath in and a full breath out, releasing your head, neck, and shoulders here. And then let your hands come all the way down to the ground. Flat back and fold. Step your right foot back on the earth. Exhale, put your knee down. Inhale, sweep your arms, reach up, rise up, lengthen the spine. Exhale your hands to the mat and then pop your hips back. Give me that nice straight left leg, half split. Good. Left knee bends forward. Right hand stays put. Left arm opens up to the sky. Big stretch. Good. Left hand lowers. And then again, straighten the left leg one more time. Half split pose. Good. Bend your knee forward. Exhale. Pick up your back knee. Step back, down dog. Pushing with the chest. Both hands lengthening the low back. Roll forward, plank. Good. This time, come all the way down to the belly. Go ahead and push down into the tops of your feet and hands. Inhale, come up for cobra. I'm going to go straight arm cobra, but it's up to you. Nice. Just choose what works best. And then exhale, slowly come down. We're going to do that one more time, okay? So inhale, come up, maybe just a bit, maybe a bit more, or push and lift, come up even higher. Nice. On your next breath, exhale, down dog this time. It's okay if you went flat first. Just meet me here. Left leg rises, the leg we just worked with. Reach it up high, and again, ankle rolls. Stretch and reach. Good. Step through. Take a deep bend of your left knee. Let your right knee hover, hover. Good. And then pull your left leg back. Deep stretch. This time as you bend your left knee forward, pivot right, wide-legged forward fold. Exhale to bow down. Now you can keep your hands here or take your peace sign fingers to your big toes. Pull your chest into your thighs. Lift up through your butt. Lower your head. 3. Stretch out your low back. Feel the sensation release. Try to find a place here where you can just let it go. 2. Good. Inhale, halfway lift your spine, lengthen. Good. Exhale, fold in, release the low back. Bend your right knee and then bend your left knee and just move with me from side to side in those hips. Good. Left to right movement. And then you're going to exhale, slowly bend the right knee. Place your left hand down closer to the right foot and then twist. Good. Exhale, release, bend your left knee, place your right hand down, left arm up, twist. Good. Exhale through center, fold forward, release the head, neck, and shoulders. And then very carefully and slowly pivot forward to your left foot, step up with me. Nice job, feet together. Good. Lift and lengthen the spine halfway. Exhale, fold, chest to thighs. Inhale, lengthen, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Good. From here, I want you to take your time and you're going to simply come into the balls of your feet and then start to sink your hips down, down, down for a pose called toe balance. Now open your knees to the sides of your mat, put your hands down, and then walk your hands forward as you kind of fold into this pose. 3, 2, and then on your next breath, slowly re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, maybe the heels can drop, and then you're just going to sit on your bottom. Bring your knees together, wrap your left arm around, and then just simply plant your right hand behind you as you pivot. Good. Exhale, wrap your right arm around, plant your left hand behind you. Give yourself that little pivot. Come back through center. Give yourself a big hug. Squeeze in. Good. Inhale, lengthen, lift your chest. Exhale, roll onto your back as your knees stay into the chest, and then push both feet all the way to the sky, kind of freeing the legs and freeing the feet if so. Reach up with both hands, exhale to the outsides of the feet, and then you're going to rock from side to side in a nice happy baby. Good. Your knees are going to stack. Your hips are going to first bump to the left and then drop your knees. There you go, to the right, just like mine. Looking good. And then open up and do a twist to the second side. 3. Good. 2. And 1. You're going to bring your knees back through center. And then again, give those hips the bumpity bump to the second side. Let your knees fall over. There you go. Land in a nice twist. Right arm reaches out to the side. Enjoy that gentle opening in the side of the body. Good. Come back to center using your next breath. Take your time. Pop the hips. Bumpity bump. Extend the legs again for me. And this time, place your hands on the insides of your legs and allow your legs to come apart. I have a wall that I'm hitting over here, so ideally I would move so that wall would not be in my way. But notice if your space works. Bringing the legs back together as you exhale into the chest, and then gracefully planting the feet. From here, I invite you to drop your knees from one side of the mat to the other. Good. And then you'll land with your knees together, your feet apart, your hands on your low belly. Take 3 breaths. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. From there, you're going to take your time, pull your knees into your chest. Rock up to seated or roll to your favorite side. It's up to you. Bring your hands to heart center. Take in the joy of being able to move, even if it's 10 minutes. I know my body already feels better. As we bow forward, namaste. Thank you for practicing and have a beautiful day, evening, or whatever's ahead.